Okay, cool. Right, well, my name is Rich Eden. I'm head of data at Zava, and I'm here to talk about how we made data engineering easy using Looker. Right, so who are Zava? Zava are one of Europe's largest online doctors. We operate a number of websites, including our own branded websites, as well as Superdrug Online Doctor, Superdrug Health Clinics, and DrEd.com. As you can imagine, an operation this size generates an awful lot of data. The data team are responsible for many things, including collecting data from APIs, automated reporting, user segmentation. All of this stuff could go wrong and could result in bad data going out to the business. This keeps me up at night worrying. So, how have I dealt with this problem? So basically, to deal with this problem, what I've done is I've set up a number of dashboards and automated alerts within Looker, which just allow me to keep tabs on the whole data infrastructure. Allow me to make sure that all the scripts are running in a nice, timely fashion. Here's me, actually. You can see me with a cup of tea in the morning, surveying my dashboards. I really do this every single morning. And I've got just tons of charts, numbers, graphs, all kinds of things. It takes about 15 minutes to go through all of this stuff. On top of that, I actually have some alerts as well, so if there's any problem, then I'll get an email notification. And what I'm really looking for is, partly it's stuff that's actually broken. It's obviously broken. It needs to be fixed right now. But also stuff that will probably break quite soon. So this is a script that used to take 15 minutes to run. It's now taking an hour, probably needs to be refactored. But actually, what we've been finding, as often as not, is the problems are nothing to do with the data infrastructure, which are obviously nearly perfect. And so we keep finding problems with the main website itself, problems that we've delivered incredible value to the business by flagging up at an early stage. So one of my main fears, the ETL has got stuck. This runs every 10 minutes. It's a Python process that takes data from the production database, puts it into the warehouse. If that gets stuck for some reason, then there'll be no new data in Looker, and the business is going to get mad about it. So I set up this simple look. It's just got the number of orders received from customers in the last 30 minutes. Schedule that to run every 30 minutes and to email everyone in the data team if there's actually no results in that. And that, I thought, would indicate that the ETL is stuck. Actually, what we found is this page here, where you can log into your account or create a new account to purchase one of our products. Well, actually, someone had set up an A/B test incorrectly, and those boxes disappeared. Thank you, marketing. And so anyway, no one was able to place any orders whatsoever. So it wasn't that the ETL was stuck. That really was no orders. So we were able to give a really quick flagging up to the tech team. Something's broken. They fixed it. OK, next one. Fear 2. Our cookie handling has a bug. So we've got lots of Python scripts that join cookies to patients, all kinds of things. If there's any kind of problem with one of these scripts, the metrics will go absolutely haywire. So something I look at every day to make sure this is OK is the number of cookies that we have every day per IP address. And just over a year ago, this started spiking. Normally, it's just above 1, but it started to spike. This looks pretty suspicious. So I drill down a bit further. I've actually got 22,000 distinct cookies from just 6 IP addresses. So this really is looking suspicious now. But I still think at this point it's my fault. And then actually, when we drill down further, you'll actually see that they all of the requests had these query strings along these lines. And anyone that knows about this stuff, I won't pretend I do, but they're trying to get our passwords from our server. So immediately I could go to the tech team and say, right, we've got these IP addresses, blacklist them. Another one we've got, looking at the number of sessions every day, all of the sessions on the different websites. 2 weeks ago, an enormous spike, well outside of any range we've ever seen before. Now this time, surely there's a problem with the data infrastructure. Actually, no, we'd published this content. Sexercise, a 23-minute lovemaking track for couples looking to get athletic in the bedroom. Yeah, exactly. It was very popular. It got shared on social media. That was real traffic. They didn't buy anything, but it was real traffic. Right, so the future. We've actually found it's so valuable having people like monitor parts of the business like this that I want to push it outside of the data team and to get all the end users doing it themselves. And then really to use the Jira integration to have them click directly on a data point and create a ticket for the data team so we can investigate in a timely manner. So yeah, thank you for listening. That's how we do data engineering using Looker.